Let's say, for instance, that I'm still kicking at the back leg, right? There's only one, no, there's two ways to block. All he's going to do now is evade it by simply pivoting the body so that I'm now having to step to the side. So there's two ways to block. Step across, boom. Turn the body, evade, and get it out of the way. Teaches us two different methods. Now, if we even do this, if I try to get here like this, and I want to do a heavy leg sweep, step across. He steps across, he nullifies that. So there's like 3 or 4 different things that we're doing. Remember, Gocho is just as much waist down as it is waist up. A lot of leg sweeps, a lot of leg takedowns, okay? So as I kick to the back, he turns, right, lifts up, blocks, and 1, 2, remember the blocks, 3, turn, set. Now, once again, I kick his back, he turns. Now what I want you to notice here is that he's blocking and covering. This in itself is a bar lock position. How am I going to get out of it? What I've got to do, don't be like that, just like it is. What I've got to do now is get my arm out of it. You see where he's got me? If I stay in that bucket. So what I do to get out of this, turn your body with me, turn your body with me, turn this way. What I've got to do is do this. Turn my hip and sink my arm, which then escapes out of the bar. Okay? Turn my hip, sink my arm. That is the pull out. And 1, 2, 3, set, hit, drive, punch. Go to your bar lock. I pull it out. I got to pull it this way. Good. 1, 2, 3, set, turn. Kick all the way around. He steps. Once again, if I stay in that, see it? He's got the bar lock. What I've got to do, watch this, keep it right there. Keep it a good solid look. Watch how my body turns and my hip turns. Do it again. Here's my escape. Changes to that fulcrum. And 1, 2, 3, and then for the sake of finishing the form, and also because I kick this one out further, I kick, he blocks it, I step forward, he punches, and 1, 2, press, we block it over, catch, and then come in. That's a very light explanation of what we're trying to do when we're doing the catching. Every person is like this when you're doing 5 ancestors. If I throw a baseball, right, I'm never going to throw the baseball the same way every time. I may hit a general area, right? It may be called a speed ball, curve ball, breaking ball, whatever it is, right? But yet, each person throws different. Each person has their own lean on it, and no ball is always the same. Same thing with a punch. So you want to vary your punching, vary your weight distributions, see how it fits when you're catching a particular person. This is what brings a martial art to life. The forms are living, changing, breathing examples of the applications of the system. If you just do forms to air without having to adjust to the person in front of you, in my humble opinion, you are wasting your time. So, have a training partner, look at these things right here, and see if you wouldn't like to go and learn some more. Next time, we'll look at set sparring and how the form by itself teaches, the catching teaches, and the set sparring. And then, why was sit D invented? We're going to put that form inside the 20 punches round. Thank you very much.